Don't let the limited space of apartments and condos stop you from enjoying the delicious taste of homegrown veggies. Instead, go for some of the best vegetables you can grow vertically in a limited area. Growing herbs vertically will help you enjoy maximum harvest even in small spaces like windowsills, hanging baskets, kitchen shelves, or any corner that receives 3 to 4 hours of bright sunlight. Number 1. Climbing tomatoes. You can grow fresh tomatoes in the shortest space by training them upward on a trellis or stake. The Indeterminate tomato cultivars are perfect for growing vertically. Number 2. Pumpkin. You can grow pumpkins vertically in large containers. They just need a sunny spot, moist soil, and shelter from the cold, harsh wind. Sturdy poles, teepee trellis, and bamboo stakes make for useful pumpkin trellis. Number 3. Peas. Peas grow best in vertical planters. They grow fast and don't require constant attention. Use a farm fence or chicken wire to support the upward trailing vegetable. Number 4. Lettuce. Lettuce can easily be grown in vertical planters in a small space. You can grow it in ladder planters, floating shelves, or make a lettuce tower for a beautiful display. Number 5. Malabar spinach. To grow Malabar spinach vertically, you need to make a wire trellis or a structure that will support the vines to twine around and spread happily. Number 6. Ivy gourd. Ivy gourds can easily be grown vertically using wire trellis, chicken wires, bamboo stakes, or wooden poles. Make sure to provide sturdy support to hold the veggie weight. Number 7. Runner beans. This productive vegetable for limited space is also grown for showy flowers. However, it also produces edible green pods, leaves, and dried beans. Grow this vegetable in full sun and fertile soil. Number 8. Winter squash. Winter squash has many cultivars, including Hubbard, acorn, and butternut squash. Growing them vertically keeps them free from pest and disease problems. Number 9. Zucchini. Growing the zucchini vines vertically will keep the foliage from touching the ground, eliminating any fungal or pest infestation, resulting in a bumper harvest. Number 10. Nasturtiums. Nasturtiums are popular for colorful blooms that are also edible with a mustard-like peppery flavor. You can easily grow them vertically in pots. Number 11. Hops. Hops are not just limited to making beer. You can eat them raw in salads or sauté them in butter or bacon grease. While growing vertically, it can reach up to 10 to 15 feet long and take over a fence or trellis. Number 12. Cucumbers. The compact, long vines are suitable for containers. This warm season vegetable grows well when the temperature rises. Select varieties like hybrid, salad, and pickle bush. Number 13. Bitter melon. Native to Southeast Asia, this gourd family member has several health benefits. The unique crunchy and bitter flavor makes it stand out from other veggies. Number 14. Potatoes. You can have a bumper harvest of potatoes by growing them vertically. Plant them in a tower to grow them smartly in a limited space. Number 15. Loofah sponge. Loofah vines can reach as tall as 23 feet or 7 meters and will provide you with an abundant harvest if grown vertically. It grows best in 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. Peppers and chilies. Peppers and chilies grow pretty well vertically, providing ample harvest if grown in bright, direct sunlight. You just need to tie the stems with small sticks or twigs for support. You can also grow chilies in hanging baskets vertically. This way, they can be harvested in a limited space. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.